Welcome to Melodies of Life, where modern elegance finds its rhythms in nature's embrace. A serene environment where the air is fresh, the temperature is just right, and the sounds of nature soothe the soul. Our community is designed to provide a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of city life. At Melodies of Life, we strive to nourish a lifestyle that embraces nature in every facet of our project, like ample open spaces, scenic views, biodiversity, water conservation, and improved air quality. Yet, it is nestled in the prime and strategic location, equipped with dual entry and exit points and effortless connectivity. Everything you require becomes conveniently more within your reach. Escape to a sanctuary of leisure and tranquility, where every moment is crafted for rejuvenation and bliss. Explore lush outdoor havens featuring serene gardens, a children's park, a senior citizen park, a pet park, and a mesmerizing Miyawaki forest. As you traverse through our diverse range of courts, from tennis to paddle tennis to box cricket and the versatile multi-purpose court, you will find yourself immersed in the vibrant energy of the recreational hub. When it is time to recharge, find solace in the amphitheater enveloped by the warmth of community, fostering a sense of belonging and connection. Step inside our exquisite clubhouse for a wide array of indoor amenities. Immerse yourself in the transformative yoga practice, followed by a blissful steam and sauna session, or take a refreshing dip in the swimming pool. While you enjoy all these luxuries, enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle with smooth traffic, ample parking, and thoughtfully designed wide internal roads, ensuring safety and easy movement throughout the community. Say hello to effortless living. Embark on the journey to your dream lifestyle at Melodies of Life, where every moment is a symphony of serenity and luxury waiting to be orchestrated by you.